Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, folks far apart, and the magic railroad that brought together. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. He's our number one hero.
Hello!
But he's running a little late today. This is the island of Sodor, where Thomas and his friends live. It's at one end of my special universe.
Hello, Thomas.
Hi, James.
I like helping out here. By the invitation of Sir Tom Hat, of course.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Who do we appreciate? Practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time. Signed, Head of the Railway, Sir Topham Hatt.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a much-needed holiday.
Oh, I think we can take care of ourselves.
Get out of my way!
Ah!
I have unfinished business here and I want to finish it fast!
Diesel 10's back. Oh.
Yes, 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and brutal strength. The blast from the past, who hates steam engines.
Maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here after all. On time, too.
At the other end of my universe, far away across oceans of time. Up and over Muffle Mountain and hidden deep in a valley is my hometown. Shining time.
Every now and then there appears a sign that points just round the bend to a place you'll find covered in clover. The magic comes over you, showing up right on time. This is your shining time, climbing through stars to your own cloud nine. Soft strokes of lightning paint the skies brightening up all your shining time.
And by the way, I think you're gonna have to help me and Thomas somewhere in this story.
If Diesel has unfinished business, then there's sure to be trouble right around the corner.
Scandalfly, bowfly, shellfly, shoefly, that's it. Better still buzz off.
Botheration!
You weren't concentrating, little Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. Why are you in the sheds, James?
I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red. I was naughty and Sir Topham Hatt told me to stay in the sheds till I can become really useful. Then I can come out again.
He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. Sir Topham Hatt says the harder we work,
Thomas.
the less we'll need Diesel's help.
Help you? You'll always need help, because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Aren't.
Are. Now, I've come back to find the lost steam engine.
What?
I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you, and then you'll be nothing but useless scrap, right, Pinchy?
Big bully. Strength.
We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor. I'm going to fetch him now.
What lost engine?
There, Mud. Paint job's finished. I reckon Shine Time has the best welcoming sign than any other town in our valley. Well, I'm glad you agree. Billy's old map sure helped a lot. He's on his way back now, is he? You hear that train whistle sooner than it hears itself.
Fine work, Patch.
Thanks. Oh, I've been looking at your map. What are these mysterious shadowy lines doing on it? They look like straight railroad tracks, but I can't see any other tracks around here except for the ones that you travel on.
It's a mystery. It makes this land so...
magical? Well, I better be off the Muffle Mountain. I promised Mr. Stone I'd clean out his yard today.
Does Burnett Stone ever give you a smile?
No, but he doesn't frighten my horse either. Which I don't think he's a bad man. I think he's just sad.
I didn't know that in Muffle Mountain there was a secret that Burnett had shared, only with his childhood friend, Tasha.
One day, Tasha, I'm gonna drive this engine, and I'll take you with me.
Promise you will, Burnett. Promise.
I promise.
This engine was vital, the magic that held these worlds together. But only Burnett knew that.